How to sign in Aviator. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily sign in. First of all, open the application. So I'm in my home page. So this interface will pop up. Now here on top, there are two different options, sign in or sign up. Simply tap on sign in. Now in order to sign in, you can easily use your email and password to enter. Here on the bottom, you can even see other mediums by which you can log in. Here there are different options like Google, so simply tap on Google. Now simply select the account with which you want to continue. So with the account, you'll be able to easily access and log in. So it will take some time and you'll be able to log in to Aviator. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.